In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use QuickBooks Payments to receive payments. Firstly, click Receive Payments on the home page or go to Customers, Receive Payments in the top menu. In the Received From box, choose the customer who paid. You can now fill in the payment details such as amount received, enter the amount, then choose the payment date and click one on payment method like check, cash, credit card, etc. If it's a check, enter the check number. Now, use Deposit to drop down. Choose Check-in if it's a single check or choose Undeposited funds if batch in multiple checks later. Now QuickBooks will auto-select the open invoices. If wrong, uncheck and manually select the correct invoice. Now all you have to do is just click Save and Close or Save and New if entering more. Now go to Banking, use Register, choose your checking account and you'll see the payment posted to accounts receivable.